Hello students, welcome to Praishuji YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is operations on numbers. The subtopic is addition up to the 7-digit numbers which carrying and the word problems. So this is exercise 8.2 which is available in our Navneet Digest. So please open the Navneet Digest page number 230. So there is a question number 1. So this question number 1 is very simple. Just there are the two numbers given. Just make it the additions. Student, please make the practice for the in horizontal arrangement also. And if you have any doubt, please make the in vertical manner also and make the cross section, or we can say you can check that answer. So the answer is option number 2 is here. Okay. Now in this exercise, I will not show you the how the additions comes. Okay. Now the fundamentals and the concepts which is behind that question, that is important. So that I will explain here. So for question number 1, option number 2 is the correct one. For question number 2, how many tens should be added to the result after subtracting 10 units from 42 tens? Now here 42 tens means what? 42 tens means at the tens place, suppose here tens and the unit place, these two are. So 42 will be added here like this one. So means 42 will be added here, means 4 will shifted at the 100 place, means that will be 420. Okay. So what is the mention in question? After subtracting 10 units from 42 tens, means from this one subtracting of the 10 units, so it will comes the 410. So for getting the sum of 500, so sum means we have to add something here, so we have to get the 500 like this one. So that what we have to add, that we have to find out. So 410 is there, and after something addition we will get the 500. So what has to be added here? Okay, so of course 410 plus 90 is equal to 500, that we know. But in option, if you say there is a 90 also mentioned and option number 2 9 also mentioned. But in a question, if you see how many tens should be in a questions, tens, how many tens, that tens means 90 means how many tens are there? There are the 9 tens we can say. So that's why in means option number 2 9, this is a correct one. Okay. In option number 1 90 is there, that is also correct, but in a question how many tens are asking, so that's why this option is incorrect one. How many tens means there are 9 tens means 90, that has to. So this is the option number 2 correct one. Now for question number 3, for a religious function of the holy place, there are the devotees went by bus and devotees went by trains. So these two numbers are given, and a question asking what was the total number of devotees who visited the holy place. So total number of devotees means this 2,85,965 plus this 3,57,507. These we have to add, and after this addition, the our total will comes. That total we have to choose from the option. So this total, student, please do it this one. So after this total, you will get 6,43,572. Okay, please check your total also. Please try to make this total horizontal manner. Okay, so this total is available at the option number 3. Now question number 4, in a certain election 13,47,549 women and 14,59,687 men cast their votes. Cast their votes means they have votes, that one. Okay, how many votes were polled together? Together means what? The meaning of the together, that we have to make the addition. Okay, together. Okay, so this 13,47,549 of the women's vote were plus this 14,59,687 men's vote, that we have to add. So after this addition, we will get this number 28,07,236, and this is available in option number 4. So please student, make the practice for this one also to make the addition in horizontal arrangement. Okay, so unit and unit we have to add, then tens and tens. If there is a carry, so that carry has to be added in a next, or we can say the greater place after the respectively. So question number 5, the population of one town is there is a population given now 36,55,187, and that of the another town is 25,38,134. What is the total population of these two towns? Means we have to make the addition. So after these additions, we will get 61 lakh 93,321. So please make the addition for these two numbers in horizontal manner. Okay, so after this one you will get this answer, and this is available in option number 2. Now question number 6, this is very important. So in question number 6, so this is given in question number 6, which numbers will be occur in place of this star, then this square and this triangle. These three digits we have to find out. Okay, so how many are unknown? These three are unknown. So but here actually subtraction is given. Now this is unknown digit. Now we have to use our logic that something digit is here. So from this digit we have to subtract 3 so that we can get the 4 answer. Means we can add this 3 and 4. What will that one? So that will come the 7. So 7 will replace for the this box. Okay. So here also 7 and here also 7 and here also 7. Now here the triangle. So triangle minus 2 we get the 7. So means 2 plus 7, this triangle's digit will be there, or we can say the value. So it will comes the 9. So 9 minus 2, 7. So triangle will be 9 digit. Okay. So triangle will be 9 here replace, and there is no another triangle. So after this one 2 minus means 12 minus 7, 5 comes. So it is correct. Then the star is mentioned. So from the star something has to be subtracted, but here 2 minus 7 means of course we have to give the 1 carry here. Okay, so means star minus 1 we can say, or here we will add the 1. Okay, from this number we can deduct, or we can say here we can add this one, either this one or either this one, either we have to do. So we will not do minus 1 from the star, so we will add the 1 here. So means star minus 6. Okay, 5 plus 1 6 comes, so star minus 6, there should be the 7. Means this 6 plus 7 13 comes, so the here the digit should be the 3. So instead of the 3 star, there should be the digit 3. So for the question number 6, option number 1 is the correct one. So this is very important, students. So please listen one more time and try to solve it from your side. Okay, so now question number 7, what is the sum of greatest and smallest 5 digit numbers formed by using each of the digit 1, 3 and 5 you at least once? So there are the digit 1, 3 and 5, but 5 should not be repeated. This should be used only one times. Okay, and 6 digit number, sorry, 5 digit number we have to make. So there are the 5 digits means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so for the greatest numbers, so this greater digit we will use, but it should be only one time we have to use, and then after one the smallest will kept at unit place. So after this one we will repeat the 3 in between this one. Okay, so addition of this one, because in a question what is the sum of the greatest and smallest 5 digit number asking, so that's why this addition sum means asking. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here smallest number means here 1 and the greater digit will kept at the unit place. So 5 kept at the unit place, but 5 should not be repeat, only 1 and 3 can be repeat. So in this between this one, for the smallest one 3 will be here and we will repeat the 1 here. So after this one we have to add, so 1 plus 5 6, 6 here 4 and here 6. So 64,466. But actually in our book there is no any option having this number. Okay, so in such a situation we could not be confirm any option, or we can say any correct option in between this one, because our answer is this one. So in such a condition in an examination you can mark for any one option as a correct answer out of these 4. Okay, so let's move to the question number 8. Now question number 8, what is the sum of 3,02,000? So 3 lakh, so I will make the first places here. Okay, so 3,02,000. 2000 means thousands place will be here. 2,000 525. So here 0. And 2,03,000. So 2 lakhs after this one, 2,03,000. So 3,000 is here. 450. Okay, so here 0. So this summation we have to do. Okay, so what is the summation? Means addition. Here the 5, then 7, then 9, then 5, and then here 5. So 5,05,975. So 5,05,975. In a questions A, B, C, there are the options are given. In question 8A, 5,06,000, but this is not a 6,000. So A should not be. So and then C and D option. So B is a correct one. Then we will check for the C. 25 less than 5,06,000. So this is 5,05,975. Of course, this is 5,975, which is less than 25. Okay, than the 6,000. Means 6,000 minus 25. If we do, we will get 5,975. Okay, after this 5 lakh means this C also correct one. Now checking for the option number D. 25 more than 5,06,000. 5,06,000 plus more than means above the 6,000. No, this is the incorrect one. So that's why B and C are correct, and this B or C correct is shown in option number 2. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 9. When there is one number shown, 14,29,638 is subtracted from the certain number, the result is getting this 13,46,968. What is that number? So here we can say this 14,29,638 subtracted from the number, means from something unknown number. So here shown some box. So here this is number something, and we get 13,46,968. Okay, now here this is subtracted. So what we will do, we will shift it to the right side. So after the equal, this will get the addition, and after the additions we get this box number, and this is shown in option number 4. Now question 10. Textile mill produces 17,24,938 meters of cloth last year and 23,47,056 meter in this year. Okay, what was the total production for the 2 years? Total, what is mean by the total? So total for the production for the 2 years means this is a last year and this is a showing the this year, means this 1 year and this 1 year. So means this 2 years, and they are asking total production for these 2 years, means we have to make the addition. So after this addition we get 40,71,994, and this is shown in option number 2. Thank you.